So it's early morning here in Sweden, and I'm on my way to an assignment, and I'm thinking to myself, what am I doing? I don't want to be here. I want to keep working on the lifestyle of my dreams and where I want to go and the life that I want to live. So I'm on this SFM education and growing my business journey. So I wanted to share with you my views on acceptance this morning. You can hear the sounds of a car ferry. I'm on the ferry, hoping to shortcut some of the traffic. So I'm here, I'm commuting. I'm going to be trading time for money, as I've done for my whole working life. Now I feel this negative energy and I don't want to do it. I want to keep working on my destination. So what has this got to do with acceptance? Well, I need to trade my time for money for another while. That's just a fact. I need to put food on the table. I want to live in my house. So I have to accept that I need to trade time for money for another while. For how long? I don't know. 12 months, 24, 36, 60? What can my mind grasp here? Can it grasp 36? Absolutely. Can it accept it? No. So how many months can my mind accept to trade time for money? I'll say 12. So now decided to work on this for 12 months and then evaluate, is this taking me where I want? And for how much longer do I need to trade time for money to survive? Maybe another 12 months, maybe after that even another 12. But for me to accept and be okay with where I am right now, 12 months is going to be my limit. 12 months trading time for money, and in parallel working on creating the lifestyle that I want and that I think that I deserve. What do you need to accept right now in order to move forward with the energy and the drive that you have, that you want? What do you need to accept right now in order to move forward? Keep your flow, stay on the path, follow through, and not let negative energy consume you. Cheers!